Welcome to computer-aided drawing class. Let's try to draw uh, the picture which is seen over here in your handout. This is exercise number 5. This is a crane hook. You can see this. How to draw this picture. See, it consists of what? It consists of circles only. You have one big circle, another small circle. There is one more circle here, one more circle here, and there is a fillet here. We have a line here, it has to be offset, then one more fillet here. That's it. It should not be taking more than 10 minutes to draw this drawing. Now let's go and open a new file. I will just go open a CAD ISO 3D. Now here what I am going to do, first let me fix limits. LIMITS limits. I type limits. Initially 0, 0, enter. Final limits, let me take 200, 200. Okay. Now then what I will do, I will zoom extent. Z, enter, E, enter. Now it is already fixed. Now let me draw the sizes of the circles. Let me just go here. What is the diameter? One is 100, another one is 44. Let me just go select center and diameter. Let me write 100. And then the other one is also where from the center. Do I have? Yes. If it is not there, go to snap and select center. Okay, so I have here, I will come and make 44, enter. So I have this. Now I need to draw another two circles. Let me go here. I need to draw another circle. You can see center to center distance is how much? 178. What I will do now, I will do a simple thing. I will just go draw a circle with radius. From where? So what I will do, I will use temporary tracking. TK, enter. From where? From the midpoint of this one, I will come down, Mio Tamanio Savayin, enter. Do I need to go here and there? No. Again enter. So you are out of the command. Now I need to draw the circle radius. Let's just go here. How much is the radius? 64. 64 is the radius. Okay, I need to draw one more circle. Go here, you get the center. 128 is the radius. Okay, so now let me just pan and zoom out. I have this. Now I need to draw a fillet here. Let me just see what is the radius of the fillet. 127. Okay, I will just make it small. I will just go here. Fillet command is there. Last time we did fillet radius. Click on radius. How much is the radius? 127, enter. Now just go select this one and select this one. So you have the radius. Now what I need, let me just come here. Where is the, yeah, see here, I need to draw a line here. Okay, so let me just go back, draw a line. From where? From here. I need to make tangent. Just go here, remove all unwanted things. Perpendicular, let me remove. I will only take tangent. Come and select. See, the center is troubling me. Just go and remove center also. See, you have tangent here between this circle and this circle. Tangent, enter. Now see, whatever is not needed, you can just get rid of this. Just go to trim command, click, you are out. You are out. Okay, even this also you don't need out. Now see, things are all removed, isn't it? Enter. Now what I need to do, I need to offset this line. How much? 128 should be the offset. Just go here, offset. Offset through how much? Which one you need to offset? This line. This side. Enter. Escape. Now it is there. No need for this, no need for this. Just go to trim command, get rid of this, get rid of this, enter. Now I need to make a fillet here. That's it. Just go here. What is the fillet? Fillet is 14R. Just go back, make fillet, radius, arbitrage, enter here 14 between this line and this line. See, your hook is ready now. Escape. Now your job is done. Your hook is ready. So what we need to do, we need to draw the center lines, and then we need to write and make the dimensions, and we need to make a text caption saying that it is a crane hook. What shall we do? So here I will teach you something extra, for which already we have videos. You have to go through the videos to know everything in detail. Okay, now I will create, you see here, if I click on this layers, layer properties manager, there is only one layer and it is 0 layer. Okay, I will click here, add one more layer. I will call this layer as dimensions. Click somewhere here. Now the color for the dimensions I will give as what? I will give the color as, let us say, magenta. Okay, fine. I will create one more layer. I will call this one as axis. AXIS, axis. Now what is the color? Magenta. I don't want magenta. I will give a color of blue. Okay, should I give blue? No, I will give possibly green. Dark green I will give, so that it can be seen also. Okay, now the line is there, continuous, all lines are continuous. I will go and change the line here, cancel this, click here please. Continuous is there, click. You have only one line, load a line, just go take dash dot line, this one dash, long dash dot. Okay, I will select this line and I will say okay. Now my line type has also changed. I will add one more. I will call this layer as text, T-E-X-T, text. Okay, what is the color of this? It has taken from the previous layer. I will give red, color as red. Done. I have created layers, but whatever layer you are present, it is seen over here. So now what I will do, I will draw a line. I will just go change my layer to axis layer. Where is my axis? My axis is here. Double click. So now see the tick arrow has come here. The tick mark has come here. And here also you will see the color of that layer. Now let me just go draw a line from where? From the center of this. Remove the tangent. I don't want it. Tangent remove, take center. Okay. See, catch from here. Come down to this one. See here, what is the color of the line now? The color of the line is green. It is long dash and dot line. What I will do now, I will just click on this line. You see there are three handles. We call them as grips. There is a video on this. When I keep here, it become red color. We call it as hot grip. I will click on this one and I will extend it. See, I can go in any direction, but I will just switch on the ortho mode so that I come only vertical. Enter. I will go and click, keep my hand here, just pull up little bit. Enter, escape. See there? I have a line. Now what I will do, I will again click on the line from the center point. Where is the center? Center is here. I'll just go here like this. Enter. Now click on this line. You have grips. Keep your cursor here. You will become red. Click on that one. Pull it like this. Escape. So now you have everything with you. This is about the lines. So now what I need to make the dimensions. Where shall I make the dimensions? Let us say I will just go to dimension, double click, so dimension becomes my current layer. Okay, now see here the color has already changed to magenta. Now which dimension I want, I just go click here. I have got videos on dimensions also. See that radius, just click on this one. See, you already have radius. Too small. Can you see this? You cannot see it. So what shall I do now? It won't help me. I will just go delete it. I will just go and change it. See here, dimension is present here. In the bottom you have annotate, you have standard dimension, all this stuff is there. Standard template. Now I will go same annotate. You see here annotate. Click here. Now you have dimension. See here, there is a small arrow. Dimension style. DD edit we say. So modify. When I click on modify, you see lines, you see symbols and arrows. For symbols and arrow, the size is 2.5. I will make it 5. Now I will go to text. It is 2.5. I will make it 8. Then I will go to primary units. It is 0.00. I will just keep 0. I will say OK. Close. Now again I will go back to home and select radius. See here, when I select radius, now see here beautifully it is coming, the sizes are quite big now, is it not? We can further increase the arrow size. Let me go back to annotate. I will just go to modify symbols and arrows. Instead of 5 I will make it 8. Okay, and then text also, instead of 8 I will make it 10. Fine, done, close. Now see, everything became big now. Now let me draw, go back to home, take radius and draw the radius of this one also. How much is this? 128. Now what else is needed? Press space bar, you are back into same command, 127. Again press space bar, come here, you are back into, don't draw here, it don't look nice, let's just put it here, same. Okay, now for this two, let me just go change it to diameter. For this circle, I just went there, I have to go here rather. Diameter, just select this one. See, you have what? 100. Press space bar, again you will get it. Just go here, you can have it as 44. Okay, now I will go to linear dimensions from the center to this center. How much is this? 178. Now what do I need now? I need the distance between this line and this line. So what I will do, I will just go here, go to aligned dimension. Understand? Aligned dimension between what? Between this line and this line. Okay. Now I will go to OSNAP, remove, I will put nearest and I will put perpendicular. Where is perpendicular? Okay. I will remove center. I will just go, see here, nearest point but perpendicular it will take. Okay, nearest point but perpendicular. See there? I can move around and fix wherever I want. How much is this? 128. So your crane hook is completely defined. Now it is drawn. Now the benefit of having the dimensions on a different layer, the axis on a different layer, is that you can just go to that particular layer. If you want to change the properties, you can just change it. Just click here, make it yellow, say OK, close it. See, everything became yellow. You need not have to do separately for each one. Okay. In the same way, now let us go to text layer. Click on this one, double click on text. So now the tick mark is here. Now what I will do, I will go to single line text, type here, specify what is the height here. It is showing 2.5. I will make it as 15. Enter. Angle 0, enter. I will start typing. crane hook. See there? That's it. Crane hook is there. I want to move it. I can move, click the move command, and you know how to move it. I can just put it here. Okay. You want to change the color of that, you can always change the color of this. This is the way we have to create. This is your exercise number 5. Just 10 to 15 minutes, you can just do it. Thank you very much for watching this video.